Sunday's short and imported news. The Afghanistan Brishna Shirkat, also known as DEBS, has signed an electricity import contract with Uzbekistan for 1 year. An agreement on the import of power supply with the national electric grid of Uzbekistan for 2023 signed, said the Afghanistan Brishna Shirkat in its latest announcement. Chinese investors are ready to invest in coal-fired power in Afghanistan. The Afghanistan Brishna Shirkat, the country's power distributor, said Chinese investors have expressed willingness to invest in coal-fired power in Afghanistan. According to a statement by the DEBS, the investment will produce 500 megawatts of electricity. Over 22 million Afghanis revenue collected in the past 1 year. National Statistics and Information Agency says 22,100,000 Afghanis revenue were collected from the distribution of ID cards in the last year and has been transferred into the state treasury. New changes were made in the structure of Helmand courts. Based on the order of the Supreme Leader, new changes were made in the structures of Helmand court officials. Those changes included officials of the civil court and criminal court and few clerks. 11 kilograms of narcotics seized in Kandahar. The security forces seized 11 kilograms of narcotic drugs, including crystal meth, in the Spinboldak area of Kandahar province. Afghan Red Crescent Society has arranged a 7-day workshop for its employees. Afghan Red Crescent Society has finalized a 7-day workshop which was initiated for administrative, revenue, and financial managers of eastern and southern central zones in Kunar province. 16 persons arrested for the charges of criminal offenses. 16 persons were arrested for theft, corruption, and murder in different provinces of the country. 60 kilograms narcotics seized and 6 persons arrested in connection with it. During several separate operations in Herat, Bamiyan, Takhar, Parwan, and Kunar provinces, anti-narcotics police have discovered 60 kg of narcotics and arrested 6 suspects in connection with drug trafficking and sales, said the Ministry of Interior in a statement.